Hi guys, welcome back to the Boss Life channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to ship from Shein to any location or to any country of your choice. So down here in your Google Play Store or your App Store, you are going to type in Shein. So this is the app. It has all different kind of items or items that you need, including clothes, shoes, fashion wear, jewelries and accessories, all of this stuff. So all you have to do is to click download. As you can see, it's downloading. Well, give it a second and I'll open the app. All right, well, these are some of the items they sell down here. As you can see, they're looking beautiful and pretty. Everyone loves to shop from Shein, but few people know how to shop from Shein, and here is the video for you. Okay, so once it's open, you are going to click allow everything, allow, and based on your location you are going to go ahead and put in your location, your language. It has so many different languages, so you're going to click on that. And in case you prefer the dollar count, please click on the dollar. In case you prefer your currency in your country, click on that. It has that as well. So down here we're going to click enable, and as you are clicking enable, it's going to take you to allow notifications, or once you do that you're going to receive 10 or 30% according to how much goods you're going to be ordering. All right, so in case you have a Google account, you can use that, or Facebook account, or you can use Apple iCloud account. So in this case I'm going to be using my my Google account, but if you don't use your Google account, you can still sign up using your name, your address, your phone number, whatever. So go ahead and click that next, as you can see, and yeah, click continue to allow your Google account, to allow Shein to access your Google account. And down here you can see I'm already signed up in. Okay, so it shows you how much it shows you the discount you'll be receiving in case you order a little bit of more items. And guys, this is the app. This is how the app looks like. It's pretty, yeah? So I'm going to show you how you can order different items on this app without making any error, to your location, to your country, depending on where you are. Okay, so guys, this is the Shein app, and once you open it, it has categories. It has women jewelries, accessories. It has men shoes, scarf, lingala and slit. It has home and sports bag. It has electronics. It has appliances. It has everything, name it. So in case you are looking for cute dresses, for the girls out there who want to shop, Shein got you covered. So as you scroll down, these are all beautiful dresses. For example, in case you want to order this dress, what you're going to do is to tap on it, and this dress has varieties of color. So the more you swipe left and right, it has fashions. It's going to show you the beauty of the dress. Okay, make sure that you see everything, all the details of this dress. And down here it also has colors. So once you tap on the colors, it's going to keep on changing its colors. You tap on red, it's going to be red, it's going to be black and white, orange, blue. So this dress is in very many colors, as you can see. So in case you want to order this dress in a red color, you are going to tap on that, and down here it's going to bring sizes: medium, large and extra large. So it depends on your body or your size. You can go ahead and click your size, let's say medium. Okay, for the curvy people, you can click also curvy. Okay, so it's going to bring bigger dresses, okay, extra, whatever. So down here you can see it says free express shipping on orders over $69. It also ships to Uganda or to any destination. Shein ships to all over the world, so it's available. So once you scroll down, the most important part most of the people miss out is that the reviews. So when you click down here, you're going to see reviews, and the good thing about reviews is that it also has like pictures. People get to post pictures of that dress, exactly, so you don't make mistakes. Okay, so this is the dress, and it was ordered by someone who posted a picture of it. As you can see, it's a very nice, beautiful dress. You can go ahead and order that. So all you have to do is to add in cart. Well, your dress is already put in cart, so down here is going to bring more different similar dresses like the one you ordered. In case you still want to order other dresses, you can still go and pick it up. So another thing that I want to show you guys how to order on Shein is the app here. There is a camera there is a camera, so you can tap on that camera and you can choose any picture of any dress or anything that you are looking for, and Shein will bring what you have posted on the camera. So as you can see, this dress is similar to what I put down here. It's already available. And in case you are looking for any kind of shoes, just take a picture of it and then come here on the camera and then tap search for it. Okay, anyways, there is so many accessories. Like I said, there is beauty accessories for the girlies out there. There is also sunglasses. So assuming you want to order these sunglasses, all you have to do is to tap on it and make sure you always go to the reviews. If the reviews are saying good quality, beautiful item, amazing and everything, please go ahead and order it. And in case you want to order quite a big number of this item, you are just going to tap here 1 2 3. So the more you are tapping the plus sign, you are ordering more quantities. Okay, and you are please going to go ahead and add to cart. So in case you want to review your cart, you're going to just tap on it, and these are the items that I have in my cart. So another thing that I want to show you is, in case you want to order appliances, you are going to come on appliances and it's going to bring them all down here. Okay, and these are trending appliances. For the people who want to start small business, you can start on Shein. You can start ordering from Shein. They have very, very cheap, affordable items. Okay, and let me say you want to order this let me say you want to order this small fan. You are going to tap on it and you are going to see the reviews, what people are saying about this fan. If it's good, please go ahead and order it. If it's bad, do not order it. And do not forget, there is also rewards from Shein that gives people to review items they haven't bought. So you have to take note of that, so you don't order a bad item. Anyways, Shein never disappoint, and this is not an advert, you guys. You want to order school items, Shein got you covered. Everything is here, the pens, the books, and everything. So in case you want to check out, you are just going to click here. In case you want trends, these are the trends available, new items every day on Shein. So in case you are looking for something that you couldn't find, you are going to click on category, and it's going to be either in the kids, in the pets, appliances, and everything. So you're just going to click maybe curve, and this is going to bring you clothes for curved women. Maybe you are looking for underwears and sleepwear, it's going to bring for you sleepwear and underwears. Maybe you are looking for bags or electronics, it's going to bring you everything. Okay, so that you do not make a mistake. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and order for anything that you want, and down here on the cart section, it's going to bring everything that you've so far added to your cart. So make sure you take details before checking it out. And down here you can see it says that, check out with 5 coupon. So once you click on that, it is going to bring payment. Okay, and even before bringing payment, as you can see, it's going to bring payment method and it's going to bring locations. Shein ships to all parts of the world. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to ship from Shein to your country, mainly African countries, because most of the countries, they don't do deliveries. But I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself from Shein to your country without using any personal shopper, without using any agent. Yes, and at a very low minimum price. So here you're going to go ahead and add in your address. In case you are from Uganda, you are going to go ahead and put in Uganda, your names, your phone number, your city, your province, address 1 and address 2. This is not this is very easy to fill it out, and after that you're going to click default and then you're going to click save. Okay, as you can see, it has brought red because I haven't put in my actual address. Guys, the next part is going to be putting in your payment method. So Shein has quite a few different payment methods, so you will pick the one of your choice, and that is how you're going to be ordering or shopping from Shein. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful for people who are looking out to shop or to buy anything from Shein. See you in my next video. Bye.